How to find referral code or Remitly. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you would learn how you can find referral code or Remitly, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to go to log in into your Remitly account, just like I have done here. And then once you've logged in, you'll be brought to your home page. On this page, by the top part of the screen, you can see options like send money, transfer history, refer friends, and then by the right side you can see the welcome address. Once you've seen this, click on it. The options displayed, go ahead and you can see settings, redeem offer, help, sign out. Now to find your referral code, you'd have to work with the refer friends tab, which is located next to transfer history. So just click on refer friends and then you'll be brought to your referrals page. On this page, by the left side of the screen, you can see a write-up telling you that your friends should sign up using the link you sent, and then you get your reward. And then the referral code is the link being displayed here. So all you need to do is just to copy it and then send it to whomever you want to send it to. So this is how you can find your referral code. This is it in here, and then you can decide to share it using any means being displayed here. So that is it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.